Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Lego pieces, and then with that Lego block you can build whatever you want. We're starting off click and drag where the rectangle tool is, and we're gonna grab our polygon tool and we're gonna make a polygon. It should look like this. So how many sides is this? 6 sides. We're gonna remove the stroke and change the fill color. We're gonna start off by making a black and white one, and then we can basically make different variations and like different colored ones so that we can build whatever we want. Anyways, whenever you see this little icon, we're gonna rotate this 90 degrees till you have the pointy sides going up. Then press A on your keyboard or grab the direct selection tool from over here. Select the top 3 points, and with the arrow keys, you're just going to move it downwards till you get something like this. So we have a little cube now. Now we're going to make 2 copies of it. So I'm holding down the Alt or Option, and then I just click and drag, and that just makes another copy. So this one is going to be a darker gray, and this one instead is going to be a lighter gray. You are going to then stack them one on top of the other. So this is going to be the tallest part because it's our middle, and this is the little line on the bottom, and then this is the little line on the top. So we're going to have to make this a little smaller. So grab the direct selection tool again, click the top 3 points and move it down a little bit more. Till you have something looking kind of like this. Now this to me looks pretty good. And now we're going to do the top parts. So grab your ellipse tool and make an oval shape. Let's zoom in. Then we're going to grab our rectangle tool, and we're going to go from one side of our ellipse to the other, and then just go upwards, kind of like this. We now want to hold Alt or Option, click and drag up to make a duplicate of our ellipse. Select everything, go to the Shape Builder tool. Hold down the Alt or Option key to when you see this little negative sign. This means you're going to delete some shapes. So just click and drag on the top 3 shapes that we want to delete. And then when you have the plus sign, just click and drag to unite all these shapes. And we're going to make these the middle color. You're going to place it in the center of your shapes and make it a little smaller. And there's our Lego piece. How cool is this, guys? It actually looks like a Lego piece. Mind-blowing. Anyways, we're gonna put this to the side and we're gonna make some variations of it. So as you know, we have darker over here. So let's say I want to make a red one. I'm gonna go with a dark red on the bottom. Middle and the dot on top are going to be a lighter red. And this one is going to be an even lighter one. And that's our Lego piece. We can now Command G to group it. I'm going to duplicate this. You can click on the color wheel, and now you can just drag this to change its color. And you can basically make whatever color you want. I'll make a bunch. And that's basically it. We have our rainbow ones, and you can just start building stuff. So you can just place them next to each other, right click, arrange, bring to front, on top of each other, underneath. So you can create all sort of shapes like you would in real life. So super cool, right? Yeah, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also follow me on Instagram. I post there daily as well. And I've got some new texture packs and gradient packs. They're linked in the description below. So there's also a free one. So go check those out. And yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.